Make the most of your timeshares by selling them for free. When it comes to timeshare resale, one may easily sell timeshare for free and may also get more amount that he has spent at the time of purchase, just by doing smart research before he decides to sell timeshare free. The timeshare resale market has increased because a lot of people got the opportunity to have timeshare from their families and parents, and now due to a lack of time are unable to use the property. There is a good news for everyone who wants to resell his timeshare because we buy timeshare for free. Contact us today to get the exact worth price of your timeshare. A timeshare may turn into a liability if it does not get the price of its worth, and that is where our services come. Make sure to contact us today and get the exact worth of your timeshare. Brought to you by www.webuytimeshares.org.